Okay. Hold on. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, let's see.
Margarine?
Margarine?
Bread. Full. Please don't.
Jordan, don't. That's so nasty.
Just pretend to do it.
So gross.
You can't. You have to actually do it. Just level it. Just level it. Level it. Level it.
Do this.
Up your cholesterol.
Your arteries are going to harden and explode.
Oh, man.
That's funny.
Ready?
What? It's just a bit of margarine.
It's just a bit of margarine.
What?
You ready?
Please don't eat that.
Yeah.
Come on.
No, don't actually swallow it. Don't swallow it.
It's like a cream puff.
You can just pretend and then spit it out.
Oh, man. Oh.
Hey, spit it out, Jordan.
Are you gonna keep it?
Mm-hmm.
Of course.
Yeah, it's just I know you are.
It's coughing. Oh, man.
I knew a girl who came to her mom's car when she was young, and her mom left her in the
It's
car.
all you, man. It's all you. Is it good?
Jordan, it's going to make you barf. Stop it. We're not going to drive you home. Spit it out.
Mom, you're just adding to the movie. I hope you realize
I know
that.
I am.
It's like the time I ate half a shaker.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do not try this at home, children.
That was probably the grossest thing I've ever done.
I told you.
Including that diaper at the side of the road.
What? Margarine is so gross.
It's good for you, Mom. It's better than butter.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
Did you
is.
actually eat that?
It's
Yeah.
not.
Are you finished?
No, it's been proven that butter's not.
No, it hasn't, Mom.
Yes, it has.
By who?
It's on studies.
No, you haven't. You've done studies?
I've heard it.
Alright. Ah!